Imagine a family losing a loved one and being left with the mountain of debt, having no way to even pay the minimum balance. What are they left to do? Having to take care of their own expenses plus an extra is a ton of work. Would you leave your family in this predicament? So now I ask, are you insured? Lord forbid, if something was to happen to you today, how would your family fare? Would they be able to take care of your burial expenses and other debt? To make sure your family doesn't drown in debt, you should purchase life insurance. There are a variety of life insurance to choose from, many of which are on commercial specifically for elderly people. But in these days and times, it's not just older people dying, but people of all ages. As a child, it was a parent's responsibility to make sure you were insured. But as you got older and maybe started a family, the two adults must now decide what life insurance policy is best for them. According to Payoff, there are 5 top reasons why having life insurance is important. First, you should have life insurance to protect your family and loved ones. Second, you should have life insurance to leave inheritance. Thirdly, you should have life insurance to pay off debt and other expenses. Fourthly, you should have life insurance to add more financial security. And finally, you should have life insurance to have a peace of mind. Protecting your family and loved ones is a key factor because if your loved ones depend on your financial support for their livelihood, then life insurance is a must because it replaces your income when you pass away. This is especially important for parents of younger age. Next, it will help you leave an inheritance. Even if you don't have any other assets to pass your inheritance, you can create an inheritance by buying a life insurance policy and naming them as beneficiaries. This is a great way to set up your kids for a solid financial future and provide for any monetary needs that will arise. Now, so that your family don't carry the burden of your debt, your family needs insurance to cover any outstanding debt like mortgage, car loans, credit card payments. Other expenses include funeral and burial costs that can easily run into the tens of thousands of dollars. Steps 4 and 5 work together in my opinion. No amount of money can ever replace a life, but more than anything, life insurance can provide protection for all the uncertainties in life, and it will leave your family financially stable and in peace of mind knowing that your debt is well taken care of. According to Best Life Rates, the two largest concerns are currently retirement funding and paying monthly bills, not life insurance. 2 in 10 people across the United States only have life insurance because it was offered through work or some other group membership benefit. More than 4 out of every 10 people do not have life insurance policy in any amount. Most people aren't concerned with life insurance until they reach the age of 45. One of the top life insurance policies called Protective Life allows individuals to get a quote basically informing you of your payment and other things you may qualify for. This can be your first step to your life insurance policy. As previously stated, some people are afforded life insurance through their workplace, but those that are not should seek to become insured. There are different policies offered through life insurance plans. For example, State Farm offers life term insurance. Term life insurance is the most straightforward form of protection. You generally pay premiums on a monthly or annual basis, and your family is protected for that term. It is up to the insured to decide which policy is best for them. So after hearing such informative information, it is my job to now ask you, will you now become insured? Or will you leave the expenses for your family to handle? Be wise, because no man knows the time nor the hour that we may meet the Lord. So get insured fast. It is not an option. It should be first priority in anyone's life because we want to make sure When we pass away, our family is well taken care of, and there is nothing that we have done that would make them dig a hole for the rest of their life. So get insurance.